All right, so this is our fifth SAT video. Hold on. All right, so this is our fifth SAT video. All right, and so the question reads, according to the nutrition facts label on its jar, eating 20 grams of raspberry preserves provided 50 calories. How many calories does eating 510 grams of raspberry preserves provide? All right, so this is a conversion problem. So this is the number that we're converting, 510 grams. And this is our conversion factor. 20 grams of raspberry preserves provides 50 calories. So that is our conversion factor. So I'm going to write my conversion factor at the top in a different color. And then we're going to solve for how many preserves are in 510 grams of raspberries. All right, so the conversion factor is 20 grams of raspberry preserves equals 50 calories. And so you're going to take your 510 grams and you're going to create a 1T chart. So this is grams and the other one is calories. So you're going to put the number that has the same unit as this one here diagonally across from it, which is the bottom of the T, and then you put the number with the different unit at the top of the T. So it should read this: 20 grams of raspberry preserves, the same thing, over 50 calories. And the grams are going to cross out. And usually we'll follow the rule: if the 1 is at the bottom, you will divide, and if the 1 is at the top, you're going to multiply. But here we have no 1 at all. So all you do is just multiply across and divide what's left. All right, and that's just the basic multiplication with fractions. Multiply across and divide whatever is at the bottom. So it's going to be 510 times 50. You put that in the calculator. 510 times 50. That is 225,500 calories, because that's what's left, the unit that is left, divided by 20. So I just did 510 times 50. So the answer is going to be 1,275 calories. All right.